Hey Mike, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this free video. We're going to just go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and get more of those organic leads. It's important to note that 70% of your organic leads are going to stem from your website. So it is very important that your website be completely optimized so you can capture those leads. All right, so we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. It looks like you have separate pages for each one of your services, which is exactly what you need to have. It looks like you have separate service area pages, which is also exactly what you need. But you do need to make sure that each of these pages have completely unique content and there aren't any duplications, because Google does not like that and will not index your content. It will be considered spam. So that will actually hurt you in your rankings. Let's see. Okay. Looks like we have a little bit of content. Nope, those are not interlinks. Okay. Not really seeing any real keyword usage. So that is also part of the issue with your ranking. So Google, unfortunately, does not rank your website based on appearance. They rank your website based on content. Content is key when it comes to ranking. The more content you have on your website, the better, and you need more than your competitors. Google wants a home page with a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content that is focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords. Whoa, it's trippy. Okay, those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching in your community for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need. And those are the terms that they're going to be searching for and the terms that you need to build your content around. So that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to rank for. And you need to follow that rule of thumb for each of your service pages and service area pages. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of the pages to look for through your content to find your keywords, to rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. PowerDry is one of your top competitors in water damage restoration in your area. They have a nice website as well. They have the separate service areas, service area pages. You can see here they're focused on those local buyer intent keywords. So they're actually able to rank for those words in Kansas City. Excuse me. They have repetition for keywords, which is critical for Google to index your keywords. They've got some content. And then they have these separate pages for each of their service areas as well, each with unique content. So they're able to be indexed for those additional keywords so that they can start ranking for them. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to have to dial in your content and keyword strategy. That'll be the first step. The next thing is SEO. So this is Ahrefs. It helps to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see right here, you have a rating of a 3 out of 100 for your domain, which is your website as a whole. out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You've got over 500 backlinks and yet only a 3. Not all backlinks are created equal, so it is important that you're going after the high quality backlinks that are related to your industry and do follows. This shows us that you have a number of backlinks that are actually either irrelevant or spammy and no follows. So you're going to have to get better quality backlinks because you do need more backlinks than your competitors, but also better quality ones. You have been indexed for over 100 keywords, but you're only seeing 2 people on average to your website per month. Looking at your keywords, you only have, well, actually, looking at the position, you don't have any keywords that have made it to the first page of Google. And currently, your highest rated keyword is sewage backup cleanup, Kansas City, Missouri. So you do have some work to do on your keyword and content strategy. Looking at your competitor, they have a rating of a 15 with over 700 backlinks. So that shows you the importance of the backlinks in your credibility and ability to rank. They've been indexed for over 388 keywords, and they're seeing over 318 people on average to their website every month. So you're missing out on a considerable amount of volume. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant these are to your service area, the more power and authority it's going to give you. But they do need to be do follows so that they share the power of the higher ranking sites and help you to boost up faster. And you also need to make sure that you're tying these to your keywords and using them on your service areas and service pages. Looking at your keywords, it looks like majority of them are branded, and that all of these, at least on this first page here, every single one is going to your home page. So that is not going to help you rank very well for your services and service areas, as they are all related to your brand and website. Now, the last thing to talk about is this map section. The Google Maps or Google My Business page is an important section because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3 section in each of your service areas and for your relative keywords, you're sending all of these leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there's a number of factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of a business, website address, address, phone number, and website, and having those on a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you need a lot more of those citations and better quality ones than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google in your service areas for your relative keywords. We hope that you found this video to be educational and that you'll be able to apply these tips so you can start ranking and getting those organic leads. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.